Imagine niyo guys, mag-go si tayo ganito yung tsura.
Uy! Pansin talaga. Hindi, gusto niyang maging viral.
Bakit?
Bakit? Ano yung meron sa Gossip?
Wow, love it! Mga matatapang.
Oh, inulitin natin ko na dati.
Oh, Gossip.
Sino ba? Ano ba tayo? Dito sa ating kulit.
Amoy training.
Uy!
Amoy amoy baby back ribs mga hindi.
Usog ka dito, ayun. And then, usog dito.
Mga tiningan natin.
Kakasya.
Guys, wala.
Ayan.
Ako, nag-shower na ako, excuse me.
May taas ba ito?
Hindi halata.
No.
Okay.
Wala pa! Jo! Walang dila! 3, 2, 1.
Ayan!
Ew! Tagal!
Happy birthday!
Ten, ten, ten.
Happy birthday!
And then she's always the person who opens the door for everybody, who fixes stuff for everybody. Mga little things na that really matters a lot. Hey, that's Mika.
That's Mika.
You know,
Ayaw niyo bang ganyan?
No.
Iwan.
Sometimes I stop to close my eyes. She's exactly what I need. Yeah. She's soothing like the ocean rushing on the sand. She takes care of. Sa'kin ang lahat nating pinagsamahan. Isasayaw kita, pinagbarapan ko ng paulit.
Hindi ko malaman kung paano sasabihin. Mundo'y tahimik sa iyong tabi. Maaga pa natin ulat. ba naririnig? Sabi ko sa sarili ko, wala mo na yan sa isip ko. Pero dumating ka, ako'y nabigla, di ko inakala na ako'y handa na. Kunwari di makatingin sa iyong mga mata, aamin na pagkausap ka, ako'y kapangkaba. Pag-ibig na kaya, ito ba simula, basta pesal o talhandi. Say yourself, I'm hard to find. You're not hard to find. Di na mo naman sa but oh, siguro sa ngayon di pa tayo handa. Thank you always, Selfie. Thank you, Urans. Living out my dreams right before their eyes. I'm on the rise. Blues, let's reach naman mga 300. To take life. Someday they'll see I'll be exactly where I want to be, living out my dreams. But I know it was a Slayer. I saw the videos, you know. Thanks, Amir. Mismo ka kami, no? Aminin mo na. Ako, mamimiss yung kayo. Next. This is Graham. I like this because I just do. I've always liked this since I was a kid. Graham crackers. Alam mo yung it's supposed to be for mango float. Kahit na ikaw ay nagbago na, ibigin pa rin kita kahit ayaw na. Tatapot at talon sisigaw ang pangalan. I love you. Yun lang kaya ko. Thank you, Bedams! You're such. Mag-extend tayo. Thank you guys so much for today. Thank you for the gifters. Thank you for giving 300. Ang dami ko kinakain lately. Actually, grabe ba? Bagay sa'yo short hair. Short hair? You know, I know how to... Gusto, alam mo ba, ano, how's your day? Parang formal attire ka today. Thank you, Nimra. Formal attire? This is not formal. This is casual. Ang galing ni Jo kanina. Yeah, ang galing niya. Thanks, Amir. Thank you, Mons. Tumulong ba? Did it even curl?
si Ellie.
All I've got tonight is static on a screen. Come to your senses, the fences inside are not for real if we feel as told to stay in my head, stay with me. It goes a little something like la 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 la. Don't you even ask me. Type of girl that gets straight up off the screen. Type of girl you wanna ice and make me freeze. Type of girl you wanna wipe up time with 3. I bring money to the table, not your dinner. Both my body and my bank account could figure. Thinking about me, but there's nothing. Cause no one's keeping tally. I do what I want with who I like. I ain't gonna conceal it. While you talking all that shit, I'll be getting mine, getting mine. Don't apologize for my behavior. If you're offended, I don't care.
I just hope like it doesn't get too out of hand and where they go like in the comments like, oh, like hug her, like hold her hand, or like, you know, like it has to be always the ship, you know. You know, it's sometimes it's like, guys, we're an 8.